Yeah, I know they don't look like much, but it's time for these bad boys to come out of the garden. Good sizes. Some of them I'm gonna pickle up, and a few I will keep for some roasting. It's a little guy, but you know what? I'm not gonna give him much more time to do his thing, because at this point he ain't gonna do much more. See, birds don't weed for me at all. To pick everything else out of the garden. Small but cute. I do need just a little over 4 pounds, which is kind of debatable for what I have, but I will weigh them once I finish cutting them. See if I have enough to do the recipe I want to do. Look at tomatoes growing in my garden. That's what happens when you put tomato seeds in the compost bin. You get those guys. I don't think I have enough for the recipe, but I think what I will do is I will probably just not make the full recipe. You can, I mean, it's just pickling, really, at the end of the day. If I have extra pickle juice left over, I have leftover pickle juice. So don't need to bring this with me. And I do have my handy dandy scale. And I pre-measured this bowl, or pre-weighed it, so I know it's a pound. So I have just under there's 4 pounds there, so I have just under. It'll be fine. I'll keep apart some of the smaller ones. Actually, no, I'll just put them in, whatever. You know, it's all going to be good. But much better than the beets I grew last year. They didn't even get to this size. I guess you get better at things as you do them more often, right? Oh well. Put those in the sink and wash them off, cook them up. It looks like I'll be doing some pickling later on today.